What's going on YouTube? R2R Moto here, and we are currently atop Dr. Z-Izzle, aka the DRZ400sm. I didn't come up with that name, don't judge me. But anyway, we are currently in what I believe is DC, trying to find a stunt lot. Don't judge me for almost just falling right there. I don't know what happened. We are following my boy Jose, aka Out on Twos. He has that loud exhaust on his Honda Grum that actually makes me have to speak up over it. I don't know how it exactly sounds, but it's loud. But yeah, like I said, we're on a track to the stunt lot. I realized I haven't been riding the DRZ much since I got the Z, so I figured I would come out and give it a shot. We did get a little bit lost on the first part of this, so that's why it's a little bit crazy trying to find the lot right now. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can do some wheelies on the bike. This one's gonna be an interesting experience on the DRZ. Yeah.
Get it right, man.
It's all good after I think Kyle said it, I was calling you up on twos for a little bit.
Up on two?
Yeah. What is going on with this car in front of us? They're going super fucking slow. Don't you love going 15 miles an hour to 25? Because not the truck in front of me, but there's a car in front of that truck that's going super slow. On the bright side, I am not leading this ride, because if I was leading it, I think we'd be even more lost. I think we're on the track though right now. I have no idea. I don't know where we're supposed to go. Adventures on the supermoto. Trying to find a stunt lot. Alright, we're back. We took a little bit of a stop to meet some more bikes. On the way to the lot, we got a scooter guy, two guys on drums, got me on the DRZ, and then behind me that you can't see right now, got some loud bikes especially. But yeah, what you can't see right now behind me is we have a Harley guy and the guy on an MV Agusta. So it's gonna be a real interesting ride. Screeching tires. Yeah, today is gonna be a very interesting ride. To say the least. Oh boy. This is gonna be something else right now. I can already feel this ride becoming a little bit crazy on the way there. And we just barely left. It has been chaotic, to say the least, just to get to where we currently are. We are riding through what is probably, I don't know where in DC we are, honestly, but it's definitely something. We are at something, don't know exactly what, a lot of some kind. Don't know if this is a lot we were meeting at, but what's happening here? like we got kicked out of this lot before even getting it to it. So on to the next lot. And this YouTube is where I messed up. So as you can see right here, I paused the camera and that was a mistake. The GoPro Hero 7 has given me nothing but problems since I've got the camera. Problems exactly like this, and just a whole myriad of other problems where it's mainly the main problem that I'm going to be talking about right now is the camera just randomly freezes when you decide to either stop or start recording sometimes. And that's what happened to me when I turned the recording off right there. And now I've lost basically all the footage between where I stopped the camera and then where I came back into the video because as soon as I ended the recording there, I started it again, basically to avoid the problem that you just saw with the like pink lines on the screen. And basically it helped me with nothing because I lost all my footage from basically getting to the lot in the beginning of this lot session. Now you might say, R2R Moto, but you're currently on a hologram and we can see your screen, so that obviously must mean that you got your camera back working. Well, I did get it back working. I actually got the battery taken out of the camera and put back in to reset the camera. However, when I did that, I goofed because I forgot to put my mic adapter back in, so all the footage that you're watching right now is basically without me talking into a mic. Now, it doesn't actually sound that bad since I wasn't going that slow speeds, but I decided to just do a voiceover for it anyway because, I mean, none of the footage really sounds that great. I mean, certain parts I'll probably cut in and let you listen to, but other than that, none of this really sounds that great. So anyway, we are kind of like under a little overpass somewhere in DC where I don't really know where. They just took me here and basically showed me where to ride. But yeah, earlier in the video you obviously saw that I was on a Honda Gram, and right now I'm on a CRF 110 that I don't know how to start. This actually, I'm probably going to cut around it, but for how long it took was probably like a minute and a half to actually try to get this bike started, and that's because the way the bike is versus a normal bike is just different, and I was not used to that, and I was not told how to start the bike, so it was different. But yeah, I got to ride this bike, and it's actually pretty comfortable. The one interesting little thing about it is since it doesn't have a clutch, the gears, they click into place a lot harder than like a normal bike would, so it was a little bit strange to get used to that. But overall, this is a fun bike. This feels wrong. No clutch. Oh, okay, the gears pull a lot harder than I thought they would. I'm happy that I got the opportunity to ride it because it definitely made me kind of want one for the future, especially because the guy who does ride this, seeing him do wheelies on it, it makes it look real cool, especially because I mean, it's a smaller bike, so it should be able to help you learn technical wheelies even more than that. It's a real bummer that the camera actually did freeze on me because a lot of stunts and wheelies went down under this little bridge right here. You had the guy on the scooter wheeling, the guy on this 110 wheeling, some Grams wheeling, and it was a overall fun time. I'm sad that the camera footage got deleted, or basically didn't even record. And then the next part of the video, I actually let the guy who rides that 110, let him try a couple wheelies on my DRZ because he asked, and he did some good wheelies. So these are the ones that I'm showing you right now in the video. And then other than that, I think the voiceover is basically over, so I think we get back into the normal video. So on my ever consistent journey to become YouTube's worst motovlogger, I realized that all of my last clip from inside of the lot was basically with no mic. I had my mic unplugged, so that's bad. And then when I did plug it in, the reason why I hate this freaking GoPro 7 is that the camera froze and all my footage got deleted basically from the session that I recorded of that part. So basically, if I did what I think I did with the recording, is I probably overlaid a little bit of clips from the lot without sound. God, one day I'll learn how to motovlog. But right now we are leaving the lot and gonna go to the gas station real quick. And then after that, I don't know, I think we're gonna go home. So I realized as I was riding home, because we did a lot of highway riding on the way back home, I'm not going to make you guys sit through that, but I realized as we were on that highway ride that I didn't do an outro for this video. So yeah, besides the fact that my audio got cut out, today was pretty fun day. I hate this turn. It's like so steep and so tight, and I hit a rock. But yeah, I didn't give an outro, so I'll do that now. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to see more content in the future, and until next time, peace.